Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video, okay? So we are looking at this song, Emmanuel, okay? I'm going to show you a basic chord progression so that you can play this song anytime it is being sung, okay? So the song was done in the key of C sharp, okay? But I will be playing the key of F, okay? So without much ado, if today is your first time, kindly like the channel, subscribe most importantly, okay? So let's dive in. So in the key of F, this is 1. Okay, so this 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and the 1. Okay, so with that being done, this was the first chord they were doing. Okay, so I'm doing the F, C, F. Right hand is doing the C, F, G, and C. Okay, then we move to this chord. Okay, so you'll be like Ma Emmanuel. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing the B flat, the F. Right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, and F. Okay, then we'll move to this particular chord. Okay, so the left hand I have the C and the G. Right hand is doing the C, the F, and the A. Okay, then okay, so what is that? I'm doing the C and G. Okay, I'm maintaining it. Okay, so the right hand will change. That is the C, D, E, and G. Okay, then okay, the left hand I'm doing the F and F. Right hand is doing the C, F, A. Okay, so what do I have now? I have this the A and the A. Right hand is doing the C, E flat, A. Then the B flat, F. Right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, and F. Then okay, okay, so I'm doing the G, D, G. Right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, and F. Okay, you can choose to omit the D, so that will be like this. Okay, so let me play to this point. It goes like this. So let me sing through to this. Emmanuel, 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 your name be praised. Okay, so then we'll move to the other part. We say, when we call in your name. Okay, so that part goes like this on the 1. Okay, so whichever way you want to voice it. Okay, okay, then okay, so that part it goes like this. Okay, so what am I doing? So when we call, it goes like this. Okay, so I'm doing the F, C, F. Right hand is doing the C, F, G, A, and C. Or you can do this. Okay, or whichever way you want to play this particular chord, okay, it's applicable. Okay, so then I'm doing the C, G, right hand is doing the C, D, E, and J. Then I'm doing the F and F, right hand is doing the C, F, and A. Then, okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing the A, right hand is doing the J, C, and E flats. Then the B flats, F, right hand is doing the B flat, C, D, and F. Then J and J, right hand is doing the B flats, D, and F. Then okay, so this chord we already know the C, J, right hand is doing the A, C, F. Then the left hand will maintain while the right hand will change. That is the C, D, E, and J. Then we end it. Okay. So when we call in your name, da 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 da. I don't know how to sing that part, that's why I was using melody to sing it. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.